Okay, here's the AV input jack. To find it, you're gonna go into your audio here, and you just select AV, and I already have a device plugged in. I don't know if you can see it. Here's your laugh for the day. It's circa 2003 or 4. Samsung SCL-810. No, I haven't used it in years, but it was the first thing I grabbed with an AV jack. So anyway, you just turn the device on, and I'll show you what it does on the screen. The camera's on now, and pretty soon you'll see the signal's detected. And poof, here we go, there's the video screen. Works pretty much flawlessly. Let me turn this off here. Now it looks grainy on this screen because this is just a crummy high 8 old-fashioned camcorder, but who knows, I might try to hook a PlayStation up to it later, but I just wanted to give you a quick test, show you what it looks like. And just for fun, here's the... This isn't gonna work, is it? That's what I'm filming with. This is a Panasonic ZS5. Hey, check this out. I can do shots of me now and not move the camera. Ooh, there's my nose. Which is very attractive, as I'm sure you can tell. Ford is awesome. Okay, that's it.